Remove sticks in a matplotlib plot. I have a semilogs plot and I would like to remove the sticks. I tried. The grid disappears, okay, but small ticks, at the place of the main ticks, remain. How to remove them?
The plt.tick_params method is very useful for stuff like this. This code turns off major and minor ticks and removes the labels from the x-axis. Note that there is also ax.tick_params for matplotlib.axis.axis objects.
Not exactly what the op was asking for, but a simple way to disable all axis lines, ticks and labels is to simply call
Alternatively, you can pass an empty tick position and label as.
Here is an alternative solution that I found on the matplotlib mailing list.
If you want to see more, please answer the query.